In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your work with clients in Wrike. Wrike is an incredibly powerful project management tool that can streamline your collaborative efforts with clients. Whether you're dealing with a small task or a complex project, sharing work efficiently can make or break your client relationship. So, let's delve into the step-by-step process to make your sharing experience as seamless as possible. First, begin by navigating to the Wrike dashboard. If you're not familiar with accessing the dashboard, you can find it by logging into your Wrike account and heading to the main workspace area. This is basically your command center, where all your projects and tasks are neatly organized. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the specific task or project you want to share with your client. You'll notice a Share button, which is the key to unlocking collaboration. Click on the Share option to proceed. Doing this will open up opportunities to bring others on board with what you've been working on. Now, with the Share menu open, you'll see the option to input an email ID. This is where you can type in your client's email address or select it from your contact list if it's already saved in the system. Ensuring that you input the correct email is crucial, as this will determine who gets access to the shared work. After you've carefully verified and selected the intended email addresses, the next step involves copying the link to share it manually if necessary. You'll see an option labeled Copy Link. Clicking on this will store the link in your clipboard, allowing you to easily share it through other platforms or email if you prefer a direct approach. It's a handy feature if you want your client to have immediate access. Then to fine-tune your sharing settings, click on Advanced. The advanced settings allow you more control over what you share and how it's shared. Here you can determine the level of access you want the recipients to have. Is it view only, or do you want them to make changes or add comments? It's all within your control. Within the advanced settings, you'll also find the option for selective sharing. Clicking on selective sharing empowers you to choose specific parts of the project or task to be shared, instead of the entire content. This can be incredibly useful if some information needs to remain confidential. Finally, remember to hit Save after making all your selections. This final step is crucial as it confirms and applies all the settings you've adjusted, ensuring that your project or task is shared exactly as you intended. And there you have it, sharing your work with clients in Wrike made simple and smooth, fostering better collaboration and productivity. So go ahead, try it for yourself, and see how this powerful feature can keep your projects transparent and your clients informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.